The Beaches podcast is going to give you everything you want to know about a beach before you go there. I hope you enjoy the show. Be sure to check out our website, www.sandee.com. Without further ado, let's get into the show.
Okay, so we got a request for a deep dive on planning a Huntington Beach trip.
Sounds good.
Yeah. I mean, it's a pretty popular spot in SoCal, right? Known for that, like, classic surf culture.
Yeah, definitely. And beautiful beaches.
Yeah, of course.
You know, it's got a really lively atmosphere, too.
Right.
Which some people like, some people don't.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, Huntington Beach.
So our listener specifically wants to plan, like, a very beach-centric trip.
Okay.
You know, they're all about that.
Got it.
So we'll focus on when to go, what to expect on the beach, and what else is there, you know, besides just the sand.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Right.
So first things first.
Yeah.
When should someone actually plan this beach getaway?
So California is known for pretty good weather year-round,
Right.
but there are some sweet spots.
Look, lay it on me.
If you're all about maximizing beach time, summer's the way to go.
Okay.
Especially June through August.
Perfect weather then.
Oh, yeah. Perfect for swimming, sunbathing. Just, you know, being out on the beach. But be prepared for crowds.
Oh, for sure.
Especially on weekends.
Yeah, I was going to say, everyone's probably thinking the same thing.
Exactly.
So is it even worth it during, like, peak season?
I mean, it really depends on your tolerance level, honestly.
Okay.
If you thrive on a little bit of, like, hustle and bustle, summer might be perfect. But if you're looking for something a little more laid back,
Yeah.
you know, a little more chill,
Right.
spring or fall are great.
Oh, it's like shoulder season.
Exactly.
You're right.
The weather's still fantastic, often in the 70s, and you'll encounter fewer people.
Sounds good.
And plus, September is when the U.S. Open of Surfing takes place,
Oh, wow.
which is amazing to see.
Yeah, that would be super cool to catch that.
Definitely.
Okay, so we got the timing down.
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk about the beach itself.
Yeah.
Huntington Beach is famous for surfing.
Right.
It's literally called Surf City, USA.
Yeah, for a reason.
But for someone who's never even touched a surfboard,
Mm-hmm.
is it a good place to learn?
Absolutely. There are tons of surf schools right on the beach,
Okay.
catering to all levels, you know, from absolute beginners to those who just need a refresher.
Right.
And they'll provide everything you need.
Oh, nice.
You know, the boards, the wetsuits, and most importantly, patient instructors.
Yeah, you need that.
Who will have you riding the waves in no time.
I can just picture myself wiping out.
It happens.
So let's say surfing isn't our thing.
Oh.
What else can we do on the beach besides the obvious, like, laying out?
Well, the beach itself stretches for miles.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Plenty of space for activities.
Okay.
You could play some beach volleyball,
Oh, that's fun.
take a long walk.
Yeah.
The Huntington Beach bike trail runs along the beach.
Okay, I've heard of that.
It's fantastic for exploring the coastline and getting exercise.
Awesome.
It's about 8.5 miles long
Yeah.
and offers some incredible views of the Pacific.
Oh, wow.
And you might even spot some dolphins if you're lucky.
Ooh, that's so cool.
Yeah, it's pretty great.
Oh, that sounds like a must-do for sure.
For sure.
But eventually we're going to need a break from the sand.
Mm-hmm.
What does Huntington Beach offer beyond the beach itself?
So downtown Huntington Beach is really lively,
Okay.
especially at night.
Oh, nice.
It's got tons of restaurants.
Awesome.
They serve everything from fresh seafood
Yeah.
to classic California cuisine.
Okay, very cool.
If you're looking for a unique dining experience,
Yeah.
check out Duke's Huntington Beach.
Oh,
It's right on the sand,
oh, wow.
and it's named after Duke Kahanamoku,
Okay.
legendary Hawaiian surfer
Oh, cool.
who's credited with bringing surfing to California.
So, like dining with a side of surfing history?
Exactly.
Love it.
That's a great spot.
You also mentioned Pacific City, too.
Oh, yeah.
What's that all about?
It's a newer development.
Right.
It's more of an upscale,
Mhm.
open-air shopping and dining complex.
Oh, sounds fancy.
Yeah, there are some amazing boutiques,
Mhm.
art galleries,
Nice.
and restaurants with stunning ocean views.
Okay, cool.
It's a great place to spend an afternoon or an
Yeah.
evening just browsing and taking in the atmosphere.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Now we can't forget the iconic Huntington Beach Pier.
right.
What's the story there?
It's over 100 years old,
Oh, wow.
and it's become like a symbol of Huntington Beach.
Mm-hmm.
It's gone through several reconstructions over the years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because of storms and fires.
Oh, wow.
But it's always been rebuilt,
Oh,
which
wow.
I think says a lot about its importance to the community.
Yeah, like.
You can stroll along it,
Mm-hmm.
take in those panoramic views of the coastline.
Nice.
You can even try your luck at fishing.
Okay, awesome.
Really a must visit.
So we've covered the best time to visit,
Mm-hmm.
the beach itself,
Yeah.
activities,
Mm-hmm.
and even some great places to eat.
Right.
What does this all mean for our listener planning a trip?
Well, I think the takeaway here is that Huntington Beach offers like a truly iconic California beach experience,
Mm-hmm.
but it's more than just like a stereotypical beach town, you know? It has a rich history, a vibrant culture, and something to offer everyone.
Yeah.
Whether you're a diehard surfer,
Right.
a foodie, a shopaholic, or just someone who wants to relax and enjoy the beauty of the Pacific.
That's a great point.
Yeah.
It's not just about the beach itself, but the whole vibe and the experience.
Exactly.
This deep dive got me thinking.
Yeah.
Huntington Beach is amazing.
Yeah.
But what about all those other incredible beaches along the California coast?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe this trip could be the start of a larger adventure,
Ooh.
exploring all those hidden gems California has to offer.
Ooh, I like that.
What do you think?
Now there's a challenge for our listener.
All right.
Happy travels.
That's it for this deep dive.
See ya.
Thanks for listening to the show, and be sure to tune in next week for your favorite episode about some of the best beaches and beach information in the world.